Don't film me, but I'm gonna go. Hi, Zeke. Zeke. Hi, bird. Hi. Hola. Do you love Daddy? Yes? Do you love Mommy?
Their attorneys spoke for them, but didn't say much after the hearing.
Oh, you don't have to be sorry. It's okay. Zeke. Zeke. You love Daddy? Yes, you do. Do you love Mommy?
Amber's family will be in the courtroom.
Yeah. And do you love Baby Bird?
The two teenagers are charged with
Yes.
the next
Go give Daddy kisses.
Would
you like to give Daddy a kiss?
People right now are gathering in Chandler for...
Say, no, no, I don't want to give Daddy kisses. No, 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 no.
Any vote is live there tonight, and there's got to be such a heavy mood. Yet at the same
Zeke, how about a
time,
sneeze?
really come together in
Achoo! God bless you.
Several days that a lot of people don't know what happened.
God bless you. Achoo! God bless you.
Sad day. Surely this is never where her family.
That was a good one.
At St. Mary's Church in Chandler. In about 1 hour's time.
Bless you.
A lot of family and friends will have to.
Can you sing for everyone?
At the church, they're expecting a lot of people. The service will be open to the public again. St. Mary's Catholic Church in Chandler, in the area of Galveston Street and Arizona Avenue. Inside this church right now, we're
snuggler.
Already to the family of Amber Hess. Of course, it's going to be a very, very sad night ahead.
Snuggle. Get Daddy Pat. Pat him. Pat. Pet Daddy and give him kisses. Love you.
Gruesome discovery inside the trunk of his car. Police say they found the body of his girlfriend in the trunk. The man was stopped in Rocky Point because he was speeding. The body was wrapped in a white, blood-stained blanket.
A burned-out, crumpled mess slowed a lot of people.
I bet he did it because it cost $10,000 to get a body over the border.
This is westbound I-10, 83rd Avenue.